The laboratory of John Vane had done several things, and I arrived at the Royal College of Surgeons in February 1971, when some of the results had already started to appear. There were actually two groups in the same department working on the problem, and they were independent. All right? John started to work on isolated, on lung homogenates, looking at aspirin inhibition of prostaglandin synthesis in the lung homogenates. But at the same time, Brian Smith and Jim Willis were taking themselves aspirin and taking blood samples and isolating the platelets and showing that their own platelets had their prostaglandins inhibited by ingestion. And the third paper is the one in which I was put as a project by John. We collaborated, Ferreira, John, and I, on the dog spleen, the release of prostaglandins from the dog spleen. Those three papers were the ones that were published together in 1971, side by side. It was a fantastic, beautiful work by Brian Smith and Jim Willis. They never got the recognition for that, although the papers were published, or the same level of recognition, let's say.